If you're looking to improve IT service management, GoTo Resolve offers some great features. But is it really the best choice? Let's break down its key features and see how it stacks up. First off, GoTo Resolve makes it easy to remotely access and troubleshoot devices. You can view and control user devices, troubleshoot problems, and resolve issues in real time, all without needing to be physically present. This is incredibly useful for IT support teams looking to cut down on response times and increase productivity. Next, GoTo Resolve integrates with a variety of third-party tools, making it a flexible solution for teams that already rely on other software. Whether you're using a ticketing system, a CRM, or cloud storage, GoTo Resolve can connect with it. But here's the catch: while integration is seamless, the setup can take a bit of time and might require IT expertise. The third thing to highlight is GoTo Resolve's automation features. You can automate common IT support tasks like user onboarding, password resets, and device configurations. While automation can save a lot of time, it's important to note that it might not fully replace human intervention in complex cases. Sometimes, automation leaves you with incomplete solutions that require manual follow-up. The fourth feature worth mentioning is its reporting and analytics. GoTo Resolve provides detailed insights into team performance, service levels, and issue resolution. This can help teams fine-tune their processes and improve efficiency. However, some users have reported that the reports can feel a bit overwhelming, especially for smaller IT teams without dedicated analysts. Now, let's talk about pricing. GoTo Resolve is fairly competitive in the market. It offers tiered pricing based on features, which is nice because you can choose what fits your team's needs. However, some users feel the pricing can get steep as you scale, especially when compared to similar software options that offer more comprehensive plans at lower rates. So, what's the real story with GoTo Resolve? It's a solid choice for remote IT support with useful integrations and automation. However, if you're looking for more advanced automation or better reporting capabilities, there might be other solutions that suit your team's needs better. Which brings me to the end of this video. I've also found some amazing alternatives to GoTo Resolve that might be better suited for your IT service goals. The great news is that you can check them out through the link in the description for an exclusive and extended free trial that's only available to our viewers. This will help you explore other tools that might offer even more for your IT support needs. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your service to the next level. Thanks for watching.